Coleman. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He'll stop it right there. 13 snap rolls on the down line. Look at the way the smoke is rolling in the air tonight. Oh, there's your it just doesn't get any better than what you're seeing right this very minute. Kevin Coleman is now in his 16th year of flying air shows. He's got over 3,000 hours of flight time. He's a graduate of Louisiana Tech University. He grew up around airplanes and air shows. His dad and his brother, who are both physicians. You see that smoke changes, he sets the vertical line. That's what the competition judges like to see as he does multiple aileron rolls, holds it in dead still flight, hangs it on the prop, and backs it up in a torque roll. Look at that control. Look at that aircraft control. Still going backwards. 70, 80, 90. Oh, man, he's got to be 300 feet, 400 feet deep. I've never seen him go that deep in a torque roll before. Put your hands together. Aviation, and like Bill Stein, is sponsored also by the Hartzell Propeller Company of Piqua, Ohio. Built on honor, still family owned for over 106 years. Hanging from the straps is our very uncomfortable feeling. Now, at the top. Keeps it rolling and powers out of it. He does the cobra where he does, oh yeah, and turns it into a backflip. How about that, Owensboro? Turns it into a flat spin for a turn and a half. He gets the nose down. Push out, and then rolls ever so slowly for an outside half of a barrel roll, and then snap rolls. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, look at this, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, I've never seen it go 30 seconds before the air is perfect. There's 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 seconds. Oh, yeah! The air is perfect. This guy can land, and I'm going to shake his hand. We are just minutes away as Kevin gets ready to finish, as we get ready to bring the Wings of Liberty